He is the best actor that there is in the industry. He is untapped. He needs more challenging roles for him to explore, because and there are still a few people who are thinking that it's picnic time. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What's up? आज मैं थोड़ी तैयार तैयार होके, I'm feeling like, okay, wow, it's an amazing day. I'm meeting Faridun.
No, I think you're looking amazing as always. And
Thank you.
generally, we have not seen you in traditional attire. So I think
Yeah,
it's
I was missing wearing Indian stuff because it's been 1 month of only gym wear or clothes that I can wear at home. Although
right.
every day I make an effort, मैं रोज तैयार होती हूँ और रोज अपने आप को ऐसा महसूस कराती हूँ कि everything is okay.
That's
So
important.
today I felt like I want to wear Indian and dress up as if it is some occasion. So yeah, I've dressed up for you, Faridun.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Gaur. All right. So how's that?
Life is good, Alhamdulillah. It's all fine. We are blessed that we have a shelter over our head and we have food to eat, and that's all we have to think about right now.
Right.
मैं दुआ कर रही हूँ कि ये सारा टाइम जल्दी से खत्म हो जाए and we can go back to our normal lives of working and traveling and all of that. Yes, but I'm just trying to condition my mind to believe that this is a phase and it will go away.
This is a phase, and this will go away. All right. So, how do you look at the present situation, especially Mumbai?
I can't hear
With
you.
regards
Sorry,
to
what?
Corona? Yeah, I'm saying, how do you look at the present situation, especially with regards to Mumbai?
How do I look at the situation? I think the government is handling it quite well. It's very clear that सबको घर पर ही रहना चाहिए, and there are still a few people who are thinking that it's picnic time. Because जब मैं कभी हफ्ते 8 दिन में बाहर निकलती हूँ अपना ग्रोसरीज लेने के लिए, तब मैं देखती हूँ कि लोग अभी भी बाहर खड़े रह के आराम से सिगरेट पी रहे हैं, लड़का लड़की साथ में खड़े हैं, आंटीज दोनों वॉक पे निकल रहे हैं, सब्जी वाले से ऐसे मिल रहे हैं जैसे कि हाँ भैया बताओ, एंड दे आर नॉट इवन मेंटेनिंग डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देमसेल्व्स, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ एंगर्स मी, बिकॉज ऐसा लगता है कि क्या आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. But then वो कुछ परसेंटेज ऑफ लोग जरूर होंगे, एंड वी जस्ट हैव टू मैनेज देम, एंड आई थिंक फिर अगर डंडे पड़े तो फिर पड़े, बिकॉज अभी भी अगर आप देखेंगे अंधेरी बैक रोड पे जहां पर एक जॉगर्स पार्क है, शाम को लोग निकलते हैं वॉक और जॉग के लिए. विल यू बिलीव दैट?
That's sad. That is sad.
Yeah. So
I
I think Mumbai is still taking it very well, and it's one of the cities that is managing itself good. Yeah.
What do you have to say to all the doctors and nurses and paramedics, the sanitation workers, police?
I don't think there's anything that we can say that will be enough for what they are doing. I swear, I my heart goes out to not just them but also their families. I mean, मेरी mom, imagine, मुझे थोड़ी सी छींक आती है and my mom goes from ऊपर से, she will scream and she says, क्या हुआ, छींक क्यों आई, अरे बेटा steam ले लो, अरे, you know what I'm saying? Imagine their parents, what must they go through when they are in the hospital all covered up. अब एक बात सुन लीजिए, हम थोड़ी देर के लिए अपने मुंह पे ऐसे रखते हैं. It's so irritating, right? Imagine these doctors have to live in that every day, like 18 hours, 12 hours, and hats off to them. And also the people who are doing the sanitation work, and the police, and everyone who's looking after the country's well-being, the governments who are doing such a fab job. My heart goes out to them, and I'm trying my best to contribute wherever I can. जहाँ पर मुझे पता चलता है कि there is a group of people who need the food, or if there's any organization that I can donate to, I have been doing that regularly since the day one, and I just hope that everyone's doing their little part. Even if you can do it for the people who have been working for you, or the people जो आपके इर्द गिर्द काम कर रहे हैं, आपके बिल्डिंग के वॉचमैन, अगर आप उनके घर पे पैसा वायर कर सकते हैं, भिजवा सकते हैं, खाना भिजवा सकते हैं, जो भी कर सकते हैं इन योर कैपेसिटी, भले ही वो ₹1 हो या कितने भी हजार हो, but you should do that. That's what I've been doing.
No, I think that's very, very important.
Yeah.
And it's important to help out people whom we know, because many times people don't do that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, now got a lot of people there posting comments about so what we noticed during the Big Boss season was that you were regularly tweeting about it, regularly commenting, and I noticed your tweets, they were getting huge traction. I noticed one of your tweets, जितना मैंने देखा था उसमें करीबन 16,000 retweets थे,
Faridun.
which is,
Okay, go ahead,
which
ask me.
is like massive. So, why do you think Big Boss is such a popular show? Why do people are so hooked onto it? Even now, it is over, but even now people are crazy about it. They keep on talking about it.
Yeah, I know. It is a show that allows the outside world to get involved with each character on the show. You know, you could like something about one person, and that person will become your favorite no matter what. And you could hate something about that one person, and that one person, even if he changes around, you will not like him for whatever reason. क्योंकि उसने वो किया था. So it's very easy to pick your favorites, but it's very tough to have a rational look over. Hi, Samira. Samira Reddy is joining us, by the way.
I just saw
You
that.
look
I just saw
smashing
that.
even at home. So cute. Thanks, Samira. I'm trying just to be happy. That's all. Samira's a darling, by the way. So yeah, Big Boss is a show that really lets you relate to the people that you are watching inside, and you are allowed to have your favorites. And yes, people get highly obsessive about it. They get obsessed with it. I still get so much hate for somebody who I did not support. I mean, it is my choice, yeah. If I don't want to support somebody, it's my choice. And those kind of people you should just ignore. People
So-
make it their lives.
So who do you support? Who did you support?
Which season? I have
This one,
favorites in it.
latest one.
I didn't really support anybody, but I really did find Asim to be very real in terms of the way he was inside. I don't know about outside right now, but on the show he was real. And Rashmi was really good, and Shehnaz, I loved Shehnaz. She was bang on entertaining, and I loved her.
Right. So are you with all these controversies about the way the results came out of the Big Boss, and there was huge controversy. How do you look at it?
What's the controversy? I have no idea, Faridun.
Yeah, in terms of that, people were saying that the results had been pre-decided, and
फरीदुन कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. I think eventually if the result doesn't go on your side, then people will say, oh, it was this, it was that. But I know for sure that Big Boss is a show that is very much based on votes, and nothing can go wrong with that, because that is done by a board, and it is done by Ernst & Young, so you can't really hamper with that. And I trust the show's format so much that they make it with so much heart that I don't think that the final results will have anything to do with that. But yes, there was a huge clash of interest between the two, and of course they were both favorites of so many people. Of course there will be talks of that, but I don't honestly believe in that.
let's take a few questions. It's about Rocket Singh. Okay. Hello, God. Please tell your experience working with Ranbir Kapoor and Rocket Singh.
Experience.
Yes.
Yeah, I think Ranbir Kapoor is the star that is yet to kind of get his full potential and due. He is the best actor that there is in the industry. He is untapped. He needs more, challenging roles for him to explore, because Ranbir Kapoor, don't forget, took up Rocket Singh as his second film. He signed that as his second film. He shot that, and I think for a superstar like him to have the vision, the foresight of taking up a film like Rocket Singh so early on in his career, shows the kind of actor he is and what he really wants to do. I love him. He's a fabulous human being. When he was on sets, he was just an actor. He was not a star. He was not Rishi Kapoor's son. He was just Ranbir Kapoor, an actor. And he treated us so well, especially me. Even to date, he calls me Koina and he doesn't call me Gohar. So I have immense love and respect for him.
So the movies that you've done, many people will like your dances, and Ishat Zade, for example. The performance was appreciated at the same time. The dances, which were there, the songs, they were hugely talked about. Okay. Now, but Rocket Singh was one film where you played the role of the receptionist. and it was entirely performance-oriented role, and it went down very well with the people who used to remember it. So, as an actor, how important is Rocket Singh to you?
How important?
Yeah,
Rocket Singh was my base. I think the kind of interaction that I had with Jaideep Sahani ji, he was the writer on the film.
yeah,
And
right.
I remember one day I came out of one shot. It was a night scene. All I had to do in that scene was just look at the boys. Okay. I was sitting in a sari, crouched up. It was a night scene. And I just had to look at the boys and give them one line. Entire scene had just one line of mine. I came out after that scene, and Jaideep sir called me and he said, "Baitho." And I said, "Yes, sir." And he said, "You know, tum kya ho, tumko khud bhi nahi pata. Don't let anybody tell you what way to take in your career, because it's not about who you're opposite or what kind of a space you're looking at, but you're an actor who can do everything and anything, and don't let anybody ever restrict you." And that somehow stayed with me, and it has kind of carved what I really am and what I have picked up. Roles like Game, roles like Ishqzade, roles like Begum Jan, roles like the short film that I did called Peanut Butter, where I play a futuristic mother of an 18-year-old boy, and the kind of acclaim that got me. So those kind of bold decisions, I think I've been able to take only because he instilled that faith in me for the actor that I was. And that's why Rocket Singh is so important to me. So very important to me.
Even Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya.
Even Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya. In fact, Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya was a special appearance. There was a very long scene in that film which actually didn't make it to the film, which we had shot, which was very important to the film. For some reason, they didn't keep it in the film. But it was a special appearance, and it was a very short, small role. But the kind of impact it had was, I remember I was on a flight, and this guy comes up to me and tells me, "Aap Inspector Lakshmi hai na?" And even I had to think twice that which Inspector Lakshmi did I play? And then I realized, oh, Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya. So imagine he even remembered my character name. So
Okay.
Yeah, it was important. I think every role that I've picked up has been very important to me.
No, I think it's you look terrific in the film. Extremely stylish. Okay, so Christy D'Souza is saying hi, Goharjian. So, what about your clothes line? How exactly your clothes line doing?
Oh, this time is not very good for any business right now, because everything is kind of slow and shut down, and
Okay.
we all have to stick it around. But Gorgeous is doing well, alhamdulillah. It's all been everyone's love, and I'm glad that people now say Gorgeous so easily.
A lot of people are asking where is Snow. Why are they asking that where is Snow?
Snow is my little cat. Like, you have one, right? Faridun, you have three.
I'm having three. Oh, okay, all right.
Yeah,
That's why I was
Snow
thinking.
Snow is my baby boy. He's outside. I didn't get him inside because he's asleep right now.
Okay, Abdullah Ibrahim is saying, Assalamu alaikum, Khan Saab.
Walaikum assalam. Kaise hai aap, Abdullah?
So, I think Ajaz Khan used to call you Khan Saab in the Big
No,
Boss house.
yeah. That's where it started. Yes, that's where he used to call me.
Any projects that you're working on in recent times that got cancelled because of this?
Yes, I was supposed to go on it's not cancelled, it's postponed. I was supposed to be on a tour in America with Hrithik Roshan, and that's kind of got pushed. But I'm hoping that inshallah after July that gets scheduled and we can do the tour. Yeah.
That was with Hrithik Roshan?
Yeah, that's all over America, inshallah.
So this is I think a wonderful time for OTT platforms. People
Yes,
are binge
absolutely.
watching and how.
Absolutely, yes. It's a great time, not just for actors. It's a great time for script writers, technicians,
Yeah. Right.
producers. Directors are turning producers also. They're creating their own content.
Right.
So I just completed I completed one last year. I'm waiting for that to come out. And recently I completed another big project. So yeah, I'm waiting for 2 of them to release. I hope jaldi se release ho jaye.
Which platforms?
I can't talk about it. I'm under contract.